Hi everyone. So today we are in nature, bringing science to the outdoors, and it's a beautiful rainy day here in the forest, and I'm walking with my children, and some of the things that we're doing right now is noticing different biodiversity elements that the nature is revealing to us. So for example, we saw a branch and it was covered with moss. So I asked the kids, I'm like, what purpose is the moss serving to the ecosystem? Now, to be quite honest, I didn't really know at the moment. So I first let them troubleshoot it, and then I did a quick Google research and I found all the reasons, all the ways that it helps the biodiversity of the ecosystem. So for example, the moss doesn't actually harm the tree that it's living on. It's living cohabitating with the branch, and it actually adds nutrients like nitrogen back into the soil, and it helps improve the air around, and is actually food source for invertebrates, which then feeds the birds and other animals around. So sorry, I'm a little winded from walking. And then we also saw some droppings from an animal in the ground. So I had them look at it. We didn't touch it, but they looked at it and they were able to decide what that animal was eating. And then we noticed that it was filled with ants. So we could see that even though food has gone through the digestive tract of an animal, now that it's on the ground, it's still serving a purpose to the biodiversity by being food for other things, and then eventually turning into soil that we walk on. Hi. So anyway, that's just some of the things that we're doing out here, enjoying a beautiful morning of homeschooling and exploration. So some other things we were doing also is philosophical conversations. So why do humans explore? And they were coming up with ideas like it probably resonates from the first humans that were hunters and gatherers and needed to go out and explore to survive and thrive. And now we're going to get into a little storytelling and create a story about being out in nature, and I'll have each one of us kind of add to the story one at a time, and we'll see where the story goes and takes us. But anyways, I'm just want to get you guys encouraged to go out there and realize that everywhere you go is a learning opportunity there. And I mean, we're having a good day and we're enjoying some beautiful weather before it gets cold, before winter starts to really show itself. And yeah, we're having a good time bonding as a family and growing educationally. So that's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and we'll see you next time.